Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about addition. So addition is basically adding two or even more numbers and adding them together. That is, the total sum of two or more numbers is called addition. Well, this is also represented by a plus symbol, right? It's also called a doctor's sign. So in today's class, let's learn more about addition with help of few examples. So let's get started. Don't forget to grab your notebook and pencil. Well, it's also called sum, and sum means jodna. It's represented with the doctor's sign. So now it's time to learn new things in addition. So let's get started. So class, this is the first sum. So what we basically do is, whenever we start writing addition, we always mention ones and tens here. So these are the single digits and will be in the category of ones. So never ever we forget to mention to write this ones and tens. It's very important. So how do we do addition? So like I told you, this is the sign of addition. So 4 plus 2 becomes, come on, tell me, 4 plus 2 becomes, of course you know the answer, it will become 6. So this is the simplest addition, simplest form of addition. Let's do few more questions in this category. Now this is the second question, in which you need to add 8 and 1. What will you do? You will add 8 ones and 1 ones. What will you do? You will do addition, and if you'll add them, you'll get answer, that is 9. Let's do third question. So this is your third question, in which you need to do addition of 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 will become 5. Very good. Let's do one more. What will be the answer of 5 plus 3? Come on, tell me. Do it on your own. Alright, you are correct. The answer will be 8. Let's do a last one. So in this question, you need to add 7 and 2. And the answer will be 9. Very well done. So here I'm gonna tell you one more thing. In case this 9 is the largest number in 1 to 0. Other than that, if you add 9 plus 0, so what will be the answer? So in this kind of questions, the answer will remain same. In case I remove 9 and I put 7 here, and I ask you 7 plus 0, so the answer will be 7 only. Correct? So you need to remember this. If you will add 0 to any number, so that number will remain same here. So class, you basically can solve n number of questions by using this trick. So keep learning, all of you. This is very interesting, and you can do addition in your day-to-day life. So carry on, keep learning and keep having fun.